Hello guys, in this video we're going to look at how to add a watermark in Word. Let's say you have a very important document and you don't want it to get leaked. So you can add a watermark, maybe something like confidential or top secret, or even a picture watermark. Let's see how to. Okay, now I've jumped onto a Word document and let's get some text. So I'll type equal to rand 2 comma okay, let's say 4 comma 6, and I'm gonna hit the enter button so I get some text which I will say is top secret. So let's increase the size of this text, and I'm going to show you how to add a watermark to this text. Now, to add a watermark to this text, you go to the design tab and click on watermark under the page background. Now, watermark is of two types: a text-based watermark and a picture-based watermark. So we'll first look at few text-based watermarks. So I click on watermark, and these are some preset watermarks. So if you see confidential, disclaimers, and urgent, so let's maybe write confidential. So I've got a watermark. It comes on the second page as well, and it is on the backmost layer, or the backmost layer. Yeah, that's what. So it's on the backmost layer. Now let's say I don't write confidential, but I want to write top secret. So I'm going to click on watermark and I'm going to say custom watermark, and I'm going to say text watermark. I'm going to write top secret, and I can change the font as well. Maybe if I want another font, let's try let's look at few fonts. Okay, nothing looks good. Let's see Comic Sans MS. I can change the color of it maybe to a red color, and there's this thing called semi-transparent which I'll show you. So I'm gonna apply. This is semi-transparent. Okay, let's name it all big capital letters, top secret. So this is semi-transparent, but if I remove semi-transparent, it will become more dark. So if you see, it's become more dark. Maybe if it's cutting off or not, few words are not be able to read, you can just click on semi-transparent and it will just shade the color off a little more. Now that's how you do it. You can add in different languages as well. Atyant gunat gunt atyant gunt. So you can actually write in Hindi as well. So let's focus on English till now. English is good enough. Top secret. Now let's say I want to make this a little more lively. So I'm going to add a picture watermark. Okay, before picture watermark, you can also try the horizontal method. So it comes horizontally, it comes diagonally. Okay, now picture watermark. So I'll click on picture watermark and say select picture. Now I can browse from a file. I can Bing search and I can get it from OneDrive as well. So I'll browse from a file right now. I already have a picture that I want. So let's go to desktop and look for a picture. Yes, this one. I want this picture to be added. You can choose the scale of the picture. So I'll click on auto, and washout is somewhat like semi-transparent. So let's not add washout for now. So if you see, this is your picture watermark, but if you add a washout, it will come a little lighter, let's say. So if you see, that's how it is. So if you don't add washout, and if you add washout, so that is all about watermark. Now let's say if you want to actually remove the watermark, you can just click on no watermark and apply. It will just go away, and the text watermark, if you don't need to always open this dialog, you can just go to the design tab and okay, one second. Yes, you can go to the design tab and click on the down arrow and say remove watermark here as well. This would also actually mean the same thing. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video on watermark and you learned something new. And I hope you use watermark a lot more from now onwards. Also, like, share, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And if you have any other video, put that topic in the comment section below and I'll try to cover it. Bye.